Fast and reliable internet is a necessity in today's world. Whether you're working from home, video chatting, or streaming your favorite shows, homes everywhere need to be connected to the internet. Now, unfortunately, many internet providers don't pay much attention to customers outside of big cities and metropolitan areas. Rural customers are often left with limited options for the reliable and speedy internet connection they deserve. Thankfully, satellite internet is better than ever, with high speeds and low prices to service customers no matter where they live. Now, two of the most popular satellite internet providers in the United States are HughesNet and Viasat. At a quick glance, both services can look very similar, but when you take a look under the hood, there are some very big differences that I'm going to talk to you about today. Now, we're going to break down each provider into 5 key categories: data plans, availability, reliability, affordability, and video streaming, so you can decide which provider will work best for you. So, without any further ado, here is the lowdown on HughesNet versus Viasat. Now, most internet companies provide you with a set amount of data you can use every month that varies based on the plan you select, and satellite internet is no different. Now, both Hughes and Viasat offer a wide range of plans to handle all your internet surfing needs, but there are some important differences that you should know about. HughesNet has a special service available to their customers that they call the bonus zone. So, if you're an early riser like me, HughesNet offers an extra 50 gigabytes of data every month between 2 a.m. and 8 a.m. at no extra charge. With Viasat, once your data plan hits the limit, they slow your speed down or require you to buy extra data to keep your current speed. If you've ever felt like you had to choose between living where you love and fast, reliable internet, then let me be the first to tell you that with satellite internet, you can finally get the best of both worlds. Now, Viasat does a respectable job of coverage, but it still has a few holes in the map where no service is available. HughesNet, with truly nationwide coverage in the continental United States, gets the win in this category. HughesNet also offers free installation on all of their internet plans, as well as free whole home Wi-Fi router and a variety of bundles with TV and voice. Installation with Viasat will run you just under $100 up front, depending on where you're located. In today's world, you need your internet to be reliable and free from frequent outages or slowdowns. Now, in the early days of broadband, satellite internet used to get a bad rap for reliability. Now, fortunately, companies like HughesNet and Viasat have invested millions in satellite technology to not only make it a competitive service, but helped HughesNet to earn the FCC's award for being #1 at delivering advertised speeds and performance. Now, Viasat has come a long way, but consumers report there are still fairly regular data drops and slowdowns that will stop your video streaming or internet browsing, as well as the occasional full outage. Now, Viasat has pretty neutral customer reviews with common complaints about service slowdowns and hit-or-miss customer service. HughesNet has been rapidly improving its reliability over the past several years. Data drops and slowdowns are very few and far between, with video streaming almost always being seamless and uninterrupted. Additionally, HughesNet has been ranked #1 in customer satisfaction 4 years in a row by U.S. News Report. They seem to have the happier customers between the two companies. Now, I know what you're thinking. Satellite internet sounds great, but is it going to cost me an arm and a leg? Well, luckily, both HughesNet and Viasat provide a wide range of pricing options, so high-speed internet can fit into any budget, regardless of where you live. Now, for example, in Dallas, Texas, Viasat offers a wide variety of plan options, with their 25 megabytes per second plan clocking in at $69.99 per month, with a 60 gigabyte cap. They also offer plans up to 150 gigabytes that will run customers $149.99 per month, although with Viasat, new customers have to pay for installation and equipment fees. Now, on the other side, HughesNet offers their 25 megabytes per second plan for only $59.99 per month. which is $10 per month less expensive, as well as offers free standard installation and free whole home Wi-Fi to connect all of your devices. Now, pricing can vary based on location, but HughesNet seems to have the best rates based on the addresses we checked. Now, a huge reason why a reliable internet connection is so important to people today is the option to seamlessly stream high-definition TV and video right into your living room. Streaming services have completely taken over the entertainment industry, so a solid internet connection is a must-have in 2021. Now, Viasat has speeds fast enough to stream video content, but its data limits can be hit easily if you're not careful to manage your usage throughout the month. An hour of streaming can use up to 2.5 gigabytes of data, which can chew through even the biggest of Viasat's data plans pretty quickly. Now, HughesNet also has speeds more than capable of video streaming. Plus, they also include a video data saver function that automatically optimizes your video stream to conserve data while delivering the smoothest video stream possible. Plus, with HughesNet's extra data available during the bonus zone hours, you can easily stream video without worry. Well, all in all, satellite internet in general has become the go-to service for many Americans looking to receive a reliable internet connection while living where they love. Now, both HughesNet and Viasat provide great services, but HughesNet has pushed to the front of the pack in nearly every category we reviewed and have better customer reviews across the board. They have a more reliable connection with more affordable plan options. HughesNet also offers a robust package of extra features, including a video data saver, free installation, and bonus zone data. If you're looking for the best and most reliable satellite internet provider available, HughesNet is our pick. Now, click the link here on the video to take a look at HughesNet's packages in your area and mention promo code GET75, that's GET75, and you'll receive a $75 gift card with your HughesNet order, courtesy of Satellite for Internet. Buy yourself something nice. Now, if you liked our review, make sure to click those like and subscribe buttons to see more great reviews and news from us. And let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Have a great day.